We'll get started in a minute, guys. A little early, just a couple minutes early here. Alright guys, welcome to the break. Thanks for participating. I'm Wes, I'm your host. We got 5 boxes, 2017 playoff, 1 Hail Mary autograph, and 1 Hail Mary memorabilia card per box. So there'll be 10 hits in this break. Pulled a couple good things out of it. This is the 4th one I think I've done now. Pulled a couple decent hits. Still looking for the super big boys, but I pulled some pretty nice cards out of this, so hopefully I can pull something good for you guys. If not, I will throw something extra in the mail for you. If you don't get a hit, I'll throw you a pack of cards or a couple packs of cards if you bought in for a lot, something like that. So try to hook everybody up. But thanks again for joining, and here we go. Good luck, everybody. You know what? Let me adjust my focus real quick so that I don't have an autofocus flipping on me here. Bring it close to the camera. Actually, let me use a card. So we'll focus right about there. There we go. So the background will be a little out of focus, but that helps me with the cards so you guys can see them easily. I don't have to worry about the autofocus going in and out, because it's not very good on this camera. Hope everybody's having a good night. I got a bit of a headache, but I'm alright. Doing alright, in spite of the headache. Jump through the base cards. I'll call out the inserts, numbers, hits. We got Stargazing Odell Beckham insert for the Giants. Flea Flicker for the Panthers. Got a Kevin King base rookie. And a couple of throwbacks. Got Boss Hogs Mark Ingram for the Saints. We got a Boss Hogs LaShawn McCoy. That one is out of 99, right down there. 24 out of 99. Just throw that. Got a Kareem Hunt base rookie for the Chiefs. We got Steve Young and Tim Brown throwbacks. Base cards. Thunder and Lightning for the Bengals. Andy and AJ. Got a Derek Brooks. Gridiron Force for the Bucks. Obi Melifonwu is the base rookie. Got a fat one in here. Should be some kind of a hit in this pack. I'm gonna move it to the back. So we got a Boss Hogs, DeMarco Murray rather. Got Thunder and Lightning for Atlanta. Sorry, I'm a little far away there. There's a Patrick Mahomes base rookie card. I'll throw that in a top loader in a sec. And then we got headliners, and that is Jadeveon Clowney. Headliners relic. I don't see a number on this. For the Texans. No number? I guess that's a base relic there. So Houston with the first piece of action for Clint. There you go, Clint. A little Clowney relic for you. Nice little Mahomes base rookie card. Not bad. Quiet room tonight. It's all good. It's all good. I'll do all the talking. We got Sidney Jones. Sidney Jones for the Eagles. That will be the autograph in this box. Hail Mary, Sidney Jones. And I am an Eagles fan, so I'm a little jealous of that one. There you go. Tony. Got a little Sidney Jones action there. But I think green is the base. Yeah, it's a base auto. Sticker auto. Not bad. Not bad. There you are. Flea Flicker for the Bengals. Jordy Nelson. Playoff momentum for the Pack. Tim Williams base rookie. Base cards. Looking for numbers now. We got both the hits in this box, so looking for the numbered cards. Tom Brady stargazing. Jordan Howard out of 299 for the Bears. 239 out of 299. Chris Godwin, that's a base rookie for the Bucks. Got Travis Kelce stargazing for the Chiefs. Got Raiders Flea Flicker. Cooper Carr and Lynch. Hassan Reddick, the base rookie for Arizona. We got somebody trying to join the group here. Yes. Approve. Confirm. Gridiron Force Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks. Packers get a little number action. It's Paul Hornung. 290 out of 299. Foil parallel. Then we got Buda Baker, base rookie for the Cardinals. Gridiron Force, Urlacher for the Bears. Ronnie Lott, the Niners out of 25. Number 9 out of 25 for San Fran. Relatively low numbered one there. So looks like a copper colored parallel. Then we got Jake Butt, base rookie for the Broncos. Shaquem Theismann in the mix. A lot of numbered cards in this. Lots and lots of numbered cards. Got Stargazing, Drew Brees. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys, playoff momentum. Evan Ingram, base rookie for the Giants. Alright. That concludes box number 1. Do this. Does that work? Does that work? Nope, doesn't even work. They get stuck in there. Gridiron Force, Eric Berry for the Chiefs. Matt Ryan, Stargazing. CJ Beathard, base rookie for the Niners. Got a thick one in here. I think we got the autograph in this pack. I think we got it right in the back. We got Boss Hogs, Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. Richard Sherman, Gridiron Force Seahawks. Taywan Taylor, base rookie for the Titans. And then we got upside down. DF are the initials, usually. Donta Foreman for the Texans. Both relics for the Texans in this break so far. Texans having a little bit of jersey action going on. When you're hot, right? Houston. Clint, there you go. Another Houston relic for you there. Dak Prescott, Stargazing. Got a parallel here, Thunder and Lightning. This one is out of 199. Looks like 64 out of 199 for Atlanta. Trey Hendrickson, base rookie for the Saints. Kid reporter. Okay. Just making sure my chat's working. You guys are quiet tonight. Haven't seen a single chat yet. We got Flea Flicker for the Steelers. 21 out of 99, Richard Sherman for the Seahawks. Parallel Gridiron Force insert. We got Marcus Williams, base rookie for the Saints. Got Julio Jones, playoff momentum. Flea Flicker for the boys. Fabian Moreau, base rookie for the Redskins. Stargazing, Big Ben. Got Alvin Kamara. That's a parallel rookie. 177 out of 299 for the Saints. Yeah, Scott, this is an eBay break. Marlon Mack, base rookie for the Colts. Flea Flicker, Luck Gordon Hilton for the Colts. Boss Hogs, David Johnson for the Cardinals. Garyon Conley, base rookie for the Raiders. Guess that's the hit, so I'll save it for last. Doug Baldwin, playoff momentum for the Seahawks. Flea Flicker for Atlanta. Got Rasul Douglas, it's a base rookie for the Eagles. Lots and lots of packs in this. Got playoff momentum, Jerry Rice for the Niners. Out of 299, we got Barry Sanders. It is 67 out of 299 for the Lions. Got Marlon Humphrey, a base rookie for the Ravens. And then our autograph pack. Let's see what we can get out of this for you guys. Is that a... Oh, okay, good. For a second there, I thought it was going to be a redemption, but no redemption here. All right, we got Thunder and Lightning. Jai Landry for the Dolphins. It's going all right. It's going all right. A little bit of a headache. Thanks for chatting in with me. It makes it better for me if people are chatting as well. J.J. Watt, Texans, Gridiron Force insert. Of course, not required. I'll keep talking. Christian McCaffrey. That's a base rookie for the Panthers. CMC. Autograph. ZC for the Texans. Zach Cunningham. That is a new one to me. Wow, this is a Texans break, man. Texans are dominating this right now. Zach Cunningham, base auto for the Texans. 2 relics and an autograph for the Texans so far. Owning it. Sometimes it just goes that way. Sometimes it just goes that way. Another one for Clint. Oh, I'm tired. How you been, Scott? You been doing all right? Mike, what's going on, dude? What do we got here? I got a backwards. What the heck? They put 2 of these cards backwards. That was weird. Boss Hogs, David Johnson. Thunder and Lightning, Jay Ajayi, and Jarvis Landry. I thought that was going to be something. I don't know why it was backwards. D'Angelo Yancey, base rookie for the Packers. That was weird. Just randomly put 2 cards backwards. Flea Flicker for the Skins, Reed Cousins and Kelly. For the Vikings, got Harrison Smith, 16 out of 49. Hey Gus, what's going on, dude? Got a Samjay P. Ryan base rookie for the Redskins. There's some more backwards action. Is that just randomly backwards? Flea Flicker for the Colts. Carlos Hyde for the Niners. This one is number 2 out of 49. That's good, man. The road to awesome is the road you want to be on. That's a purple parallel. Can't really tell with my lighting, but the text is purple. Sometimes it just takes time to work shit out and get it together. We've all had it. We've all had our times. Oh, that's the rookie, sorry. Eddie Jackson, base rookie for the Bears. Just running a small eBay break, a group growing eBay break. Just 5 boxes of playoff. Little something, little chance for some good stuff out of this. It's all Texans, man. And that's one of your teams too, Gus. Pulling all Texans out of this for some reason. Flea Flicker for the Packers. Boss Hogs for the Dolphins. Ajayi Carlos Henderson, base rookie for the Broncos. Dak Prescott, Stargazing. Richard Sherman, Gridiron Force. Seahawks. David Njoku, base rookie for the Browns. Weird how some of these packs are coming out. Is that... Alright, I think these two are the hits, so I'm going to save those for the bottom. I think. I don't think they put fake ones in here, so... It's got DeAndre Hopkins, playoff momentum for the Texans insert. Got Melvin Gordon, Boss Hogs for the Chargers. We got a Trubisky base rookie. And then a couple more throwback base. Yeah. Who you got, Ken? You got... You got the Steelers and the Seahawks. Is that what you got there? Yeah, I'm surprised, man. I don't think I've ever seen the Texans dominate one of these breaks before. Honestly, the Steelers usually hit. I pull the Steelers frequently. I mean, I think everybody does because the Steelers always, I mean, they got so much history. And they always draft a lot of offensive players. Stargazing, Seahawks, Russell Wilson. To 299, we got Brendan Langley, 215 out of 299 for the Broncos. And then we got Jamal Adams, base rookie for the Jets. J.J. Watt, Gridiron Force for the Texans. Jim Plunkett for the Raiders. This one is 9 out of 299. I pulled quite a few Plunkett autographs in my day. There is some awesome stuff coming out. Panini 1 comes out, I think, the end of this week. I'm not going to break that, though, because it's just too expensive. I don't think there'd be enough interest to do it. I'm probably going to pick up plates and patches, and a couple weeks after that, another product comes out. I got limited in my head because that just came out. TJ Watt, base rookie for the Steelers. Yeah, there's some cool stuff. I mean, the best stuff comes out in March. National Treasures. Big boy. Alright, let's see what we got. Let me move this hit to the back. We got Eli and Odell, Thunder and Lightning for the Giants. Justin Houston, Gridiron Force for the Chiefs. Jordan Lewis, it's a base rookie for the Cowboys. Alright, this should be a relic. It's going to be upside down, so I got to flip this. The initials, MC. MC. Close. MC for Mick, with Mick Nichols. Jeremy McNichols for the 49ers. Finally a relic that the Texans don't get. San Fran. There you go, James. A little something for you there. Let's see what autograph we can get out of here. We got a backwards Doug Baldwin playoff momentum. The Seahawks. We got a Ben Roethlisberger stargazing. Adam Shaheen, base rookie for the Bears. Ken, I think we might have a little something coming up for you here. I see yellow in the back there. See that card in the back right there? That's the autograph. So we got a yellow autograph coming up. Let's see. CS. It is... Who is Cameron Sutton? Cameron Sutton for the Steelers. Wow, that autograph is way off the sticker. That is not even close to being all the way on the sticker. But it's a hit, and it is an autograph. Cameron Sutton for Ken. There you go. Got a little something for you there for the Steelers. Ken. It's a base auto. There's no number on that one. The green, I guess the green foil down here is the base. Not bad, not bad. Yes, sir. Of course, I have no control over it, so no real thanks go to me. This is all up to Panini. Sometimes Panini treats you well. Sometimes they really screw you over. All right, Thunder and Lightning for the Cowboys. Prescott and Elliott. Got a Vikings to 49 here. That is 16 out of 49. It's hard to get them numbers visible for Minnesota. Base rookie Malik McDowell, Seahawks. Got Gridiron Force, Strahan for the Giants. For the G-Men, Stargazing, Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Chris Carson, it's a base rookie for the Seahawks. Gridiron Force, Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Matt Stafford, Stargazing. Kenny Galladay, base rookie for the Lions. Julio Jones, playoff momentum for the Giants. 9 out of 299, Landon Collins. Got Zach Cunningham, base rookie for the Texans. Von Miller, Gridiron Force Broncos. Derek Carr, Raiders, Stargazing. Nathan Peterman, base rookie for the Bills. Fat pack. Des Bryant, playoff momentum. Yeah, I like the lower ones. Here's a nice low numbered card here. Got Fran Tarkenton. That one is 24 out of 49 for the Vikings. I usually pull a card numbered to 25 or less in this. I don't think I've ever had a break and not pull the 25 or less. We've had a 25 in this one already. O.J. Howard, base rookie for the Bucks. Pulled one to 10 last week. And then I think there was one to 25 week before that. Looks like we got our hit in here. And it is a green one, so I'm thinking we're going to have another Eagles autograph, but we'll see. Could be the Dolphins. Flea Flicker for the Cardinals. Boss Hogs for the Titans. Ardarius Stewart, that's a base rookie for the Jets. Alright, let's see if I'm right. Could be the Jets, Eagles, Dolphins, EQ. It is the Eagles. EQ. Elijah Qualls. I didn't even realize he had autos in this. It's a pretty decent autograph right there. Perfectly on the sticker. It's a nice card. Oh, I didn't think I'd pull another Eagles. That's kind of cool. Good deal on the Eagles there. Tony. Another one for Tony. Getting them Eagles. Flea Flicker, Cowboys. Chargers, Melvin Gordon, Boss Hogs. Mac Hollins, base rookie for the Eagles. Gridiron Force, Richard Sherman. Seahawks, we got a numbered for the Rams. 178 out of 199. That is Gurley, Mr. Todd Gurley. All right, Scott. Take it easy, man. Stay out of trouble. Get down there. Gurley. Cameron Sutton, base rookie for the Steelers. It's a downside to a 5-box break. Get repeats. It really messes everybody up. Except the person who's getting the repeat. Whoop. Playoff momentum, Randy Moss. Flea Flicker for the Lions. Ryan Switzer, base rookie for the Cowboys. We got SP. Samajay. Yep, Redskins. Relic for the Redskins. Samajay P. Ryan. He's almost a guaranteed pull in any 2017 product. Dude's all over the place. Hey Boyd, you doing, dude? Final box, ladies and gentlemen. Or just gentlemen. I'm not sure if there's any ladies in the room. Nothing big, nothing huge in here. One more box though, so maybe we can get a little something. Maybe we can get a big something out of this. See if I can find the fat packs and move them to the bottom. Maybe that one. Definitely that one. I'm not even sure. I don't know. Just work through them from top to bottom. Scrabble and darts. Yeah, did you throw 6 bullseyes in a row? Damn. We got Thunder and Lightning for the Cowboys. Prescott and Elliott. Got Staubach. 263 out of 299. Right behind it for the Cowboys. Nice throwback relic parallel. Not relic, but parallel. Lots of numbered cards. Got an NFL shop back here. Got Cordray Tankersley, base rookie for the Dolphins. Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Gridiron Force. Stargazing, Matt Stafford, the Lions. Malik Hooker, base rookie for the Colts. If you guys are interested, I'm going to throw a breakup on the Facebook page here tomorrow. Not sure. I got my group voting on whether or not they want a 2018 or 2016 break. Not sure which one's going to go up because they're about even. So one of them will go up though if you guys hang with the group and you're interested in direct breaks that are outside of eBay. Julio Jones for Atlanta. Oh, we got a parallel stargazing. That's relatively rare. 28 out of 99 for the Lions. Davis Webb, base rookie for the Giants. I'm thinking go with the 2016 break, but really want to let the group decide. Antonio Brown stargazing for the Steelers. Gerald Everett parallel for the Rams out of 299. That is 121 out of 299. That's a rookie parallel. Decent card. Could be a lower number, but not bad. Duke Riley, base rookie. If you're watching this on YouTube later, we do post better breaks, better and bigger breaks directly on our Facebook page. So check it out if you got Facebook and you haven't joined up. Derek Carr stargazing, Raiders. Jerry Rice out of 199 for the Niners. 67 out of 199. I do smaller breaks on eBay to keep the cost down and to grow the group. Better stuff's in the group. Jamal Williams, base rookie for the Packers. Randy Moss, playoff momentum. Flea Flicker for the Lions. Tate Stafford Abdullah. Nazir Jones, to base rookie for the Seahawks. Whoop. This looks like a thicker pack. We might have, yeah, I think we got the autograph here. Well, let's get the autograph. Get her done. So we got Des Bryant, playoff momentum. Got Strahan, Gridiron Force for the Giants. We got Gerard Davis, Base rookie card for the Lions. Kid Reporter. Alright, looks like we got an autograph here. It is GC for the Raiders. Garyon Conley. Little action there for the Raiders. That is Mike. Pulled quite a few Raiders for Mike over the past 6 months or so. There you go. There's another one for you. It's not as nice as the Plunkett. That Plunkett from Prime Signatures, but it's still pretty nice. Garyon Conley. Yes, I tend to pull Panthers, even though I haven't pulled too many for you over the last couple breaks, but yeah, I guess it makes up for pulling like 6 in a row for you. Buffalo Bills Flea Flicker. Devonta Freeman. Some Boss Hogs for the Falcons. Corey Davis for the Titans. Base rookie. Flea Flicker. Cardinals. Boss Hogs. Derrick Henry Titans. Mar Darbo, base rookie for the Seahawks. And our final pack with a relic. So we have a relic in here. We got Thunder and Lightning for the Packers, Rodgers and Nelson. Von Miller, Gridiron Force. We got Terrell Basham, rookie base for the Colts. Final one, it's going to be a headliners. So we got headliners for the Dolphins. It's going to be Jay Ajayi. So Jay Ajayi headliners for the Dolphins, and that is a base as well. No number on that one. Give you a quick recap. Like I said, if you skunked on this, which a lot did, I'll hook you up a little something extra. I got some packs and stuff that I send out, so you'll get a little something extra in the mail if you skunked in this break. The more teams or the more you spent, the more I'll throw in for you. All right, numbered cards. We got Jerry Rice out of 199. We got Gerald Everett out of 299. Matt Stafford out of 99. Roger Staubach 299. Out of 199, Todd Gurley. Fran Tarkenton out of 49. Landon Collins out of 299. Out of 49, we got a Randy Moss. Jim Plunkett out of 299. 299, Brandon Langley. Carlos Hyde out of 49. Out of 49, Harrison Smith. Barry Sanders out of 299. Alvin Kamara out of 299. Richard Sherman, 99. Out of 199, Thunder and Lightning for Atlanta. Julio and Devonta Freeman. Ronnie Lott out of 25 for the Niners. Paul Hornung out of 299. Jordan Howard out of 299. The Bears out of 99. LaShawn McCoy. Lots and lots of numbers in there. Numbers aren't huge, but they're nice if it's part of your personal collection. Relics. For relics, we've got Jay Ajayi headliners. Dolphins. We got Sama J. P. Ryan. Rookie Stallion, single color relic for the Redskins. And we got Jeremy McNichols for the Bucks. That is actually for the, it says 49ers. Is he traded to the Niners? Yeah, he was traded to the Niners, so that actually goes to the Niners. I don't know if I called that out originally. I got confused by the Bucks uniform, but 49ers. And then we got, for the Texans, Donta Foreman. Headliners, Jadeveon Clowney. Those are the relics. And then the autographs, we've got Garyon Conley for the Raiders. We got Cameron Sutton, Steelers. Texans, Zach Cunningham. Elijah Qualls for the Eagles. Sidney Jones for the Eagles. So this was an Eagles and a Texans break for the most part. The Eagles and Texans dominated this one. Eagles had 2 hits. Texans had 3. So not horrible. We did have a couple big name base rookies in here as well. Trubisky and Mahomes. So those are not hits, but decent cards. And then a whole bunch of rookies here. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, if you are interested, hang out in the group. We will post breaks up. I'll have something posted up tomorrow, either a 2018 mixer or a 2016 mixer. Depending on how the voting goes for that. You may vote on it if you'd like to be in either one of those breaks or just watch it. So check it out if you're interested. If not, thanks for joining into this. These should go in the mail tomorrow. If not, I'll package them up by tomorrow and they'll go out Wednesday. But either way, they'll be out in the mail within the next day or two. Along with bonus packs for everyone that's skunked. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the break. Hope to see you in another one. And I hope you have a wonderful night. Thanks. Have a good one.